Right, here's a good question for review. I think this is the correct answer right below it there, the 2.5 times 10 to the minus 5. Right there. So when you're doing this, you can do it on a calculator. Let me just see if I can get a calculator quick. Okay, there we go. Hopefully you can see that. Maybe make it a bit smaller. Good. Okay. Gee, I wonder if this calculator has that function button on it. Well, I guess we could do that. Huh. Okay, so one thing you could do is you could do it in parts. So you could do it, multiply the 6 times 4.2, and when you do that, that comes out to 25.2, and then you could multiply these. So because they're the same base, you can add exponents. So it'd be 10 to the minus 1 plus a negative 5. Or you can write it as 25.2 times 10 to the minus 6. So that could be an answer, but if they want it in scientific notation, the standard for that is you have to have a number, then a decimal, and then however numbers you need times 10 to the some power. But the important thing is that there's one non-zero number in front of the decimal place. In here, I've got two numbers in front instead of just one like this one. So what I could do is I could rewrite this. So if I just take a look at this, I can rewrite it as 2.52 times 10 because I went to the left here, and because this number is larger than 1, I would say 2.52 times 10 to the first power, okay, because I just moved it once. But then I still have this times 10 to the minus 6 there. Again, I have common bases, so I can add exponents. So 1 plus a negative 6 is a negative 5. So my real answer would be 2.52 times 10 to the minus 5. Now let's try it in decimals and just see what it does. I'm not sure because I don't have that times 10 to the power of button, but maybe I can get that in there. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so I have 6 times 10 to the minus 1 times 10 to the, whoops, 6 point, oh no, I missed some stuff here. 6 times 10 to the, oh, not squared, minus 1, okay, times 4.2 times 10, 10 to the minus 5 to the minus 5. There we go. So when you look at that answer, one of the issues with that answer is that it's not written in scientific notation. So you can write it as 2.52. So you move the decimal so it's right after the 2. And how many times is that? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5 times I had to move the decimal place. So it's 2.52 times 10. Since it's a very small number, it'd be a minus 5. Okay, so that's how you can do that. Some of your graphing calculators have ways that you can convert that automatically to scientific notation, um, but apparently decimals that I can find can't. All right, hopefully that helps you with that one.